Hi, my name is Abby Alvarado. I'm here with the University of Illinois Extension, and today we're making cranberry apple cider.
The ingredients for this recipe are 1/4 cup of unsweetened cranberry juice, 1 3/4 cup of unsweetened apple juice, a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1/8 teaspoon of nutmeg. To prepare, wash all hands and surfaces with soap and water. Pour your ingredients into a saucepan. Then put the saucepan on the stove on medium to high heat. Cover and simmer for 10 minutes. Serve it warm.
And there you have it. That's how you make cranberry apple cider. But it always tastes best with a friend.